Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can hide your contacts on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First thing, you want to click on your profile picture at the top right of your screen on your Snapchat. Once you click on your profile picture, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. Once you click on the setting icon, it's going to bring you over here. Once you're inside the setting of your phone, scroll all the way down until you see this option called contact. Now once you see this option called contacts, click on contact and click on this option called remove synced contact from Snapchat. Once you click on this, it's going to show you by selecting confirm you will delete all contacts and no longer sync contact with your Snapchat. Are you sure? So all of your previously synced contact will be removed, which means they will be hidden. So click and confirm and you're basically done for the first step. Once you do this, what we are going to do is now we are going to turn off contact access for Snapchat. How we can do that is we are gonna first go on settings, and inside our phone settings we want to scroll all the way down at the bottom until we see this option called Snapchat. Once we see Snapchat, we click on Snapchat and the option where it says contact, if your contact is on like this, make sure it's off. Once you do that, you have just turned off your contact access to Snapchat, and Snapchat won't be able to access your contact, which means since your contact is removed and Snapchat can't access your contact again, your contacts will be hidden. So that's how you guys can hide your contacts in Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.